That's the thing baka mabilis matapos tong laban na to. Hindi
This will
natin
be
alam.
furious, yes. Referee Paul Cortez, our third man inside the cage. Bakbaka na. Round 1.
See?
Bumoto kagad ng leg kick doon si Catalan Jr.
So ito yung, this is the thing with the small guys bilis.
Bilis ang mga galaw.
Parang hindi pwedeng wala silang galaw na kahit ano.
Jun showed some of his own leg kick. Turning long by Jun. Pumasok yun. Hindi lang masyadong dumiin.
Itong si Catalan Jr. knew how to paano saluhin yan.
Inaantay niya lang rin pumasok tong si Jun. And of course, Rene Catalan sa ating red corner. Jun Goncho coming out of the blue corner.
Catalan pressing Cho against the cage.
And that knee to the thigh of Cho. Matalo sila ito yun.
So trying to get out of that position. Palitan sila so far. Nakukontrol ni Catalan. But he needs to do more than, press Cho against the cage.
10 seconds left sa ating first round.
Good knees there. Good exchange of knees there.
May pahabol na sa Cho. And that's it for our first round.
Good first round for both
And
fighters.
they're giving our judges hard time scoring that. This is Catalan Jr.
Ganda ng sipa doon.
Nagkakasabayan talaga eh. Parang sabong lang eh.
Catalan Jr. trying to do.
And that's done.
Wow! What a takedown.
A big one. That's a big takedown by Catalan Jr.
I don't know if we can say that it's unexpected from Catalan Jr., but that sure was very impressive.
And there he goes again. Trying to bring Cho down.
No stopping Catalan in this match.
Medyo nangingilag na si Cho sa mga pag-takedown niya.
Especially with the way he was taken down kanina.
Ayan na naman.
Hirap nun. I don't want to be on the receiving end of that.
Another turning long by Cho.
Good kick. Answered by a punch. Now si Cho
And Cho's
naman
own version of takedown.
Cho naman ang nag-takedown.
And successfully took Catalan down. It now is in full mount position.
This is becoming a grappling match.
Yes, it's becoming a grappling match. Pero very dangerous position to for Catalan Jr. And it will lead to a triangle. That was for an armbar.
Kuha yata yung kamay niya. Is it?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
If he can roll, ayun na.
Wow!
That was a good second round.
Second round for Catalan and Cho. Now,
Third and final round on the way. And this is it.
Third and final round. Kada round, nag-upgrade yung nangyayari sa laban na to. So, we'll see what happens in the third.
You can only witness this kind of fight here sa URCC Dynasty Fight Club.
Si Cho naman yun.
Siya naman ang
Try mag-takedown.
takedown.
Catalan defended that successfully. Another kick from Catalan. Cho trying to get the takedown again.
The moment I saw the physique of Cho, I already knew na
Mga wrestler siya. No?
yung mga takedown attempts parang niya, the way he executes them,
It's not just wrestling.
yeah, it's wrestling.
And huge props to Catalan. Yung makikita mo rin kung how well prepared he is for this fight. He's ready whether it be striking, grappling, or wrestling.
Well, alam naman sa camp ng Catalan fighting system, they're always ready to fight.
And then when you're fighting in a stage like this of the URCC, syempre, you do everything you can to impress everyone. So,
Another takedown attempt by Cho. Single leg takedown.
But will he get anything from this one?
Parang medyo inaabot ng pagod si Cho.
Oo. Medyo pula na rin ang binti nila pareho.
Akala ng mga ibang MMA enthusiasts or martial arts bali wala lang ang mga leg kicks.
Oo. It grows on you. Masakit yan. Whoa! Wala.
And that's it!
Yes!
The fight will go to the judges' scorecard for decision.
Isa na naman pong laban na pinapahirapan ng mga judges.
Oo. Napakagandang laban na ito. Kaya ano pa, you should check us out
Yes.
on DFC.bet.
Pang 10 laban na to. You have 8 left.
Winner in the blue corner, Sean.
And it's another win for Team Korea tonight
Show takes the win.
against Rene Catalan Jr. I'm sure it's a very close fight.
Yes. Katulad nga sinabi kanina.